Have you ever wondered why your memory starts to fade after the age of 60? It is not just age. Your brain's internal maintenance crew may be less active. Deep inside your mind, metabolic byproducts can build up over time, potentially impacting your precious memories and slowing down your daily thoughts. These protein fragments, known as amyloid-beta, are factors that can affect your focus. If they are not managed, they can impact your neural connections. But there is a natural system within you. Scientists have studied the glymphatic system, a specialized circulatory network that primarily activates while you are in deep sleep. The glymphatic system acts as a natural maintenance cycle, helping to manage the toxins associated with cognitive decline. To keep it running, you should provide the right nutritional support. When you reach the stage of deep sleep, your brain cells naturally adjust to allow more fluid to pass through, helping to manage the day's mental debris. Research from prestigious universities has suggested that we can support this system using specific foods as part of a balanced evening routine. Today, we are revealing 5 supportive foods that can help activate your brain's natural maintenance process and support your memory over a 21-day period. Let us dive into the science of nutritional neuroscience to understand how these simple ingredients can support the way your brain ages and functions every day. The glymphatic system works in harmony with your biology. It utilizes your natural rhythms to move supportive fluid through various regions of your brain. Without this nightly cycle, metabolic waste can settle. This buildup is a common reason why some seniors experience a sense of mental fog or forget familiar names. By choosing the right evening snacks, you can effectively support the natural pathways of your mind, ensuring every night is a period of restorative maintenance. Proper hydration and specific nutrients are key to maintaining the fluid balance that keeps your brain feeling sharp and resilient as you age. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, with a mind that is clear and a memory that feels as engaged as it was years ago. It often begins with what you provide your body before rest. These 5 foods are nutritional keys to supporting a healthy, well-maintained brain. By supporting a healthy internal environment and fluid flow, we are focusing on the brain's natural waste management system at a cellular level. The evidence suggests that when we support the glymphatic system through nutrition, the impact on cognitive wellness and long-term memory can be significant. Are you ready to support your brain's natural potential? Let us count down the top 5 foods that can help transform your evenings and your cognitive health. Coming in at number 5, the mighty blueberry. These small fruits are packed with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that give them their deep and vibrant color. Anthocyanins act as natural supporters, helping to protect your neurons from oxidative stress and supporting communication between different regions of your brain. To support your routine, consider a small serving of blueberries about 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. This helps prepare your brain for its natural maintenance cycle. This simple habit provides a steady source of antioxidants that work throughout the night, ensuring that your brain cells are well supported for optimal function. Unlike many other nutrients, the compounds in blueberries can effectively cross the blood-brain barrier, delivering their benefits directly to the areas where they are needed. It is a delicious way to support your cognitive wellness. Blueberries are frequently highlighted in nutritional science as a premier food for memory support. Nature has provided us with excellent tools to support the mind as we age. Make sure these berries are a consistent part of your evening. When you nourish your brain with blueberries, you are providing the building blocks it needs to maintain itself and the integrity of your long-term memory. Start tonight and notice how your mental clarity is supported. But we are just getting started. Let us move on to the next brain-supporting food on our list. Number 4, the walnut. It is a fascinating detail that the shape of a walnut closely resembles the human brain. This nut is a true cognitive powerhouse. Walnuts are exceptionally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 that helps support healthy blood vessels that supply your brain with oxygen. For a balanced bedtime snack, you might combine a few walnuts with a small amount of honey. This combination helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the night. When your internal balance is maintained, your body can transition into deep sleep states more easily. This is the primary time for the glymphatic system's work. The natural components in honey can also help your brain support the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals it is time for restorative rest. This simple evening ritual prepares your mind for a deep, restorative journey, allowing your brain's natural processes to occur without unnecessary interruption. By supporting vascular health, walnuts help ensure that the fluid pathways in your brain remain clear, facilitating the natural flow of supportive fluids. Keeping walnuts as a consistent part of your routine is a small change that can lead to significant improvements in your mental stamina and recall. Support your brain structure and function with these healthy fats. Now, let us look at a soothing drink that has been utilized for generations. Ranked at number 3 is golden milk, or turmeric tea. This traditional remedy contains curcumin, a well-known natural compound for supporting a healthy inflammatory response. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to interact with protein plaques, helping the brain's natural processes manage them effectively over time. Here is a vital tip. Always include a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in pepper significantly increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin. Without the pepper, the benefits of curcumin may not be fully realized. With it, you are providing direct support to your brain's natural maintenance crew. Sipping this warm, soothing beverage before bed not only supports your brain, but also helps calm your nervous system, making it easier to drift into sleep. Turmeric is a gift from nature for the aging brain. It acts as a natural supporter, helping to keep your neural pathways clear and well-maintained. By supporting a healthy internal environment, you are encouraging long-term cognitive wellness and helping your thoughts stay sharp and fluid every day. This duo is an excellent addition to your evening routine. It is a simple, effective, and science-backed way to support your most valuable asset, your mind. Let the natural properties of turmeric work for you while you rest. Next, we explore a tiny seed with a significant impact on your brain's relaxation. Number 2, pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked, these tiny green seeds are one of the richest sources of magnesium, a vital mineral for deep relaxation. Magnesium helps support the healthy function of blood vessels in your brain, encouraging the natural flow of fluids that manage daily metabolic buildup. For best results, enjoy a small serving of pumpkin seeds. Lightly toasting them can help preserve their beneficial fats and essential minerals. Pumpkin seeds also help manage glutamate levels, a brain chemical that relates to excitement and focus, helping your mind settle before you go to sleep. By supporting your neurons, magnesium allows your brain to transition into deep sleep stages more efficiently, where the most effective maintenance occurs. These seeds are also packed with zinc and copper, minerals that are essential for healthy nerve signaling and for supporting your brain against memory concerns. When your brain's pathways are relaxed, the natural maintenance cycle of the glymphatic system can work at its best, leaving your mind feeling refreshed. Keep a small serving of these seeds ready. They are a powerful, natural tool to help you achieve the restorative sleep your brain needs to thrive. Now, are you ready for the number 1 food? It is a favorite choice that holds incredible potential for memory support and brain wellness. The number 1 choice for your brain is raw cacao. Not processed candy, but pure, raw cacao that is filled with beneficial plant flavonols. Flavonols in cacao have been shown to support healthy blood flow to the brain, specifically targeting the regions that manage your memory and learning. Mix a serving of raw cacao with warm water. It is best to avoid excess sugar or dairy, as they can impact the absorption of these beneficial flavonols. This deep, rich drink acts as high-quality nourishment for your mind. It supports the health of your blood vessels and helps maintain the memory functions you value. Studies have suggested that consistent use of cacao flavonols can support cognitive performance in seniors within a 21-day period of regular use. It is a potent natural way to support your brain's maintenance system and ensure that your neural pathways remain vibrant and resilient. By combining these 5 foods, you are creating a supportive internal environment for your brain to maintain itself and nourish its most precious functions. The path to a sharper memory can be supported through your nutritional choices. By aiding your glymphatic system, you are supporting your cognitive future. Commit to this 21-day routine. Notice as your mental clarity is supported and your ability to remember familiar details feels more effortless. Start your 21-day journey tonight. Focus on balanced nutrition, restorative sleep, and supporting your brain's natural health. Don't forget to subscribe and share this wisdom with others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your health journey.